Ako po yung bagong babysitter. Ito po yung bata, no?
Yes, my daughter.
Huh? Nice. Okay. Sige po, ako po bahala. Alis na kayo. So, ako yung boss mo ngayon. Hi, kamusta ka?
I don't understand you. English only.
Ma'am, nag-i-English pala to? Ganon? Huwag ka mag-English.
I'm sleepy. I wanna take a nap.
Ano? Ay, saan tayo kukuha ng nap? Ma'am, saan ho ba natago yung nap?
Do you have a band-aid? I have a boo-boo.
Huwag mo sabihin yan, matalino ka. Huwag kang iPad na iPad, masama sa'yo yan. That iPad, it's a sin. You're sinning. I will delete that iPad from you. Kakain na, you ah. Nagluto ako ng Cerelac, kumain ka.
No!
Isusumbong kita sa mami, yung matigas ang ulo mo.
Isusumbong?
I will reveal you to your mother. Kung di ka lang cute, nakurot na kita eh.
What do you mean?
If you're not, then I would... You.